Hello guys, welcome to new episode of Kazana Collection. Today we are unboxing one new parcel and I have new gloves with me. So let's try how these are. These looks fantastic. In previous video I was using my hands to segregate or to check the currency, but that's not a good technique because your UNC condition will be compromised. So now I have bought these gloves from Amazon. If you want to order these gloves, just comment below. I will share the link. These are not bit comfortable, or I have wearing wrong hands. Okay, yeah. So this should be in this hand. Yeah, now this looks perfect. Yeah. Okay. Now this looks perfect. And one is in this hand. Yeah, this is also good now. So these are very good gloves. So now let's unpackage this. I have received this a while ago, but I was busy and occupied, so was not able to open it. Now we will unbox this. These are coming from bank coin currency stamp.com. I will tell you the exact name of the website. Okay, let me first pull it out. Okay, now so they always gives you invoice along with the package. So there is the invoice. I will reveal later on what notes I have ordered. This order is coming from banknote.com. It's a very good seller. It gives you invoice along with GST and all the details regarding your order. Yeah, so this is how it is. And okay, they have sent us the invoice. I will tell you the cost of each item along with showcasing all the notes which I have ordered. Okay, let's go one by one. So first note, this is a polymer note, and this is Anglo's Wanzas, I guess it's Wanzas, 200 Wanzas polymer note. It costed me 160 rupees, which is approximately $2. It's a polymer note. It's UNC in condition, looking very good. Second note is this Romania's to Lee. So it's to Lee. Look at this note, how beautiful it is. And this is also again polymer note. This is also in UNC condition and very beautiful. I had one Louis, so I may wanted to have at least two notes. That's why I ordered this. Now we have So I have seen a lot of comments on my channel regarding Polymer currency. I don't have Philippines note peso, so this is 100 Philippines peso, and this Romania's 2 Louis costed me 195 rupees, which is approximately 2 point some dollars. Now we have Philippines peso, which is 100 Philippines peso, and it costed me around 315 rupees. This was costly, but it's in UNC condition, so it's a good purchase. Then we have Philippines 50 polymer banknote. Oh, look at the designs. These are animal pattern, and this is also polymer note, looking very amazing. This costed me approximately $2.165, which is equivalent to 165 rupees. Then we have Turkmenistan's banknote, which is Mannat, 50 Mannat. This is UNC paper note. It costed me 120 rupees, $1.5. Now we have two more banknotes. Okay. Then we have Bank of Brazil. I don't have Brazil's banknote. This is UNC. Oh, look at the feel of this paper. Designs are amazing. And this is Cruzeiros, 5 Brazilian Cruzeiros, which costed me 145 rupees, and quality of note is very amazing. Similarly, we have another Cruzeiros, I guess. Let me check Cruzeiros. This is Burundi, Republic of Burundi francs. This is 10 Burundi franc. This is paper note, and this is also amazing in condition, and it costed me 165, sorry, only 65 rupees, which is less than $1. And this is also in UNC condition, very amazing. Now we have 1000 Burundi francs, which costed me 135 rupees. This is also in UNC condition, amazing. Now we have set of two banknotes. One is okay. Now this is set of Lebanon. Okay, this is a set of 7 banknotes. Lebanon, sorry, not Lebanon. Lebanon. Okay, it's Lebanon only. 250 levers, leveris. 250 leveris. This is 100 leveris. This is 50 leveris. This is 25 leveris. This is 10 leveris, and this is 5 leveris, and this is 1 leveris. Lever. And these are also in polymer condition. This is a set of 7 notes, which costed me 750 rupees. It's the value of money as a set, because it's hard to find on any other website at this price. I paid 745 rupees, which is approximately $9 for this 7 banknotes. Look at designs. These are very big in shape. Good monuments are printed on them. Good design, and all these are paper notes. Now we are left with one Brazilian note, which is 2 reais. 2 reais. This is a paper banknote. One was this. Okay, currency is different. I don't have any idea about it. I guess this is Republic Federative Bank of matlab do means of Brazil. This is Bank Central of Brazil. This is Pinco Cruzeiros, Pinco Cruzeiros, and these are Reais. Both are good in condition, excellent in shape, UNC notes. Now let's move to the final one, which is set of 21 bank notes from Venezuela, and it costed me 795 rupees, and you will not find this set anywhere at this price. 795 rupees is equivalent to approximately $10, and this is a complete set. I have tried finding it at many places but haven't seen. This person from Banknote coin stamp commented on my last video and told me to send a gift note, but my channel name is Kazana and I order from my original name, so that's why he was not able to figure out which order is this. Hopefully next time you will send gifts. Okay, so let's see this set. And Venezuela currency is amazing. They have vertical notes, and at backside there is always a animal. So let's start with this first 20,000. Look at this, how beautiful is this note. 20,000. Then we have 10,000. I will show you from one side and then another side. Then we have 5,000. Then we have, okay, there are 2,000, 1,000, 500, 200, one more 500, then 100, then 50, then we have another 100, then we have another 100. All unique designs are there, all the notes are available. So this is set of 21. So at this price it's very good as a value of money, and it will be hard to find full set. 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, 150 was remaining, and 2. 2 is the lowest denomination. Most of the currency have 1 as the lowest denominator. I don't know, they have 1 note also, maybe that is not included in this set, but this is what I got. So there are, let me show you, there are 2 designs in 2 bolivares, 2 bolivares, then 2 designs in 5, 2 designs in 10, 2 designs in 20, two designs in 50, then three designs in 100, then one design in 200, then two designs in 500, then 1000, 2000, 5000, 10,000, 20,000. So these are the all notes, and as I told you, on the back there is always an animal or bird. So this is on 2000, 1000, 2000, oh sorry, 20,000, 10,000, 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, 500, 500, 200, 100, 100, 100, 50, 50, 50, 20, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, 2, 2. So yeah, this is the whole parcel. Let me summarize you once again on all the banknotes. This is the invoice. You can see the cost associated with each note. They charge you 80 rupees for delivery. All the banknotes at once. Let me show you all the banknotes at once. Brazil, Brazil, Lebanon, 1, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100, 250. Then Burundi, 1000 francs, Burundi 10 francs, Turkmenistan 50 manat. Then we have Polymer notes, which is one is Philippines, another one from Philippines, then Romania, then Anglo. So these are all notes which I have recently purchased, and this costed me 3065, which is approximately 3065 is approximately 30, which is approximately 8 into 020, $38 including shipping fees. So you can see them once. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like the content, and stay tuned for another package just come from another website. I will unbox this in next episode. This is from I guess TNC hobby or something else, which I will tell you in next video. We will unbox this one. Thanks for watching, everyone.